Hello Internet people and hello members of the Tiddlerhood. This is just a little video to introduce what I'm tentatively calling the Kiosk Gadget. The Kiosk Gadget is something to help us view content from the web. So if you have a certain number of things that you refer to often, instead of leaving your TiddlyWiki browser page, you can have that information embedded right there in the sidebar. For example, you can have TiddlyWiki documentation pages from the static side of tiddlywiki.com to view things that you tend to refer to a lot. And you can also view pages from Wikipedia. In this case, what I've done is I've set it up so that we view pages from Wikipedia via the smartphone version of Wikipedia, so we can see the content a lot better. And we can also include other things like Google Calendar, for example. So it's just a nice and easy way to be able to refer to external content without leaving your TiddlyWiki at all. I'm going to follow this up with a series of tiny videos to explain all of the components we're required to put this together. There's not that much to it, but one of our members was really wondering how I came about putting this together after he took a look at the code. His question was, well, how did you come up with this? And as you can see, there's not a heck of a whole lot to it, but there are a lot of things in there. For example, you need to know how to do macros. You do need to understand, filtering and filter operations. You need to know things like the select widget and how to add items to the select widget. You need to know little things related to HTML, such as iframes and spaces, of all things. So I'm going to do a series of small videos explaining each one of these little components, and then how to put all these components together to get them working. So I'll explain the whys and the hows of the things I've done here. I'll include a link below the video in the description where you can get this this tiddler, and so you can put it into your own TiddlyWikis and play around with it. Installing this in your own TiddlyWiki is not very hard. For example, let's add it to tiddlywiki.com. It's just a matter of dragging this link over to your TiddlyWiki and importing it. And now you can see that we've got this in tiddlywiki.com to view content from wherever. Anyway, play around with it, see what you think, and like I said, keep an eye out for future videos on how to build this thing. Thanks, bye-bye.